7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. This patá por bulería is mainly made up by golpes. We start with a small jump to the left side and we do ta 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 ta. We make the accent on number 1, 3, and 6, all on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 9, 10, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then from here we do y 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one is y 7, 8, y 9, 10, 1, 2. So we have 3 parts. First part, 9, 10, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. Second part, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third part. So the difference in the last part is that when we lower the right one, we are not doing just one golpe and then we go on. We do 2 golpes here. So that the end is pa 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 pa. 1, 2. With the body, we start the jump, let's say, like this, pa, ah, taking our arms from here back and then raising them here in order to do the palma. So, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep them here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The end. We can turn the very end if we want, or we can keep it front. One more time. So try to take the arms from here and then keeping them at this height so it's easy for you to do the 2 palmas. 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2.